Want mind-blowing close-ups in 2025? We're testing the best macro lenses for mirrorless and DSLRs. Sharp, fast, and perfect for capturing every tiny detail. Stick around to see which lens truly rules the macro world. Hit subscribe, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one you would pick. Alright, let's dive in. Number 1. Canon RF 100mm f2.8 L. Macro IS STM Canon's ProSpec macro lens for full-frame mirrorless might look familiar, but it's packed with impressive upgrades over its DSLR predecessor. One standout feature is its 1.4 times magnification, letting you capture tiny subjects as small as 24 by 16 millimeters in incredible detail. The innovative SA control ring gives precise control over background blur, either in front of or behind your subject, boosting creative flexibility. Built to Canon L series standards, it offers robust construction, fast and reliable autofocus, and highly effective optical stabilization. The optics deliver crisp, detailed images across the frame. Overall, it's a remarkable lens for serious macro and close-up photographers, combining precision, versatility, and professional-grade quality. Number 2. Canon RF 85mm f2 Macro IS STM. Canon EOS R users have a wide range of macro options, from the budget-friendly RF 35mm f 1.8 Macro IS STM to the premium RF 100mm f 2.8 L Macro IS USM. For many, the 100mm price nudges them toward the 85mm f2 alternative. While the 35mm isn't a true macro, the 85mm delivers life-size magnification at a reasonable cost. It doubles as a close-up portrait lens and excels in stabilization. 5 stops on non-IBIS bodies, up to 8 with in-body stabilization. A solid, more affordable choice for those looking to balance performance and cost. Number 3. Laowa 65mm f 2.82 X Ultra Macro. Laowa continues to innovate in close-up lenses. The 65mm f2.8 offers twice life-size magnification, effectively 3 times on APS-C mirrorless cameras, at an appealing price. The lens is compact, just 100mm long, weighing 335 grams with a robust metal barrel. Fully manual focus and aperture controls allow precise handling. Image quality is excellent, producing sharp detail and smooth background blur. It's available for Fujifilm X and Sony E mounts, while Micro Four Thirds users can opt for the Laowa 50mm f2.82 X Ultra Macro APO, a compact, high-performance option for serious macro shooters. Number 4. Fujifilm XF 30mm f 2.8 R LM WR. This versatile lens offers life-size magnification while doubling as a compact, everyday lens. True to Fujifilm's design, it features a tactile aperture ring and weather-resistant construction, all in a lightweight package under 200 grams. Its portability makes it ideal for travel or street photography. Keep in mind, the front element sits very close to your subject at minimum focus. For slightly longer reach, the older XF 60mm f 2.4 R macro is an option, but it only offers 0.5 times magnification and less refined handling. Number 5. Nikon Z MC 50mm. f2.8 Nikon's Z system offers 2 macro lenses, with the 50mm f2.8 as the budget-friendly option. It lacks weather sealing and optical stabilization like the 105mm, but impresses with superb optics. Compact and lightweight, it pairs perfectly with Nikon's smaller Z-series mirrorless bodies, including APS-C models like the Z FC and Z 50 Mark II. Despite missing premium features, it delivers sharp, high-quality images and reliable performance, making it a practical choice for photographers wanting a versatile macro lens without the bulk or higher cost. So the winner? The Canon RF 100mm. F2.8 R Macro IS STM, offering stunning sharpness, fast autofocus, and professional level versatility. If you want your macro shots to pop like never before, this is the lens to grab in 2025.